Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cleburne County and north central Arkansas, northwestern Independence County and north central Arkansas, southeastern Izard County and north central Arkansas, southwestern Sharp County and north central Arkansas, southeastern Stone County and north central Arkansas until 6:30 p.m. At 5:44 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles south of Luber, or 11 miles northeast of Greers Ferry Lake, and moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Melrose, Batesville, Stella, Sidney, Luber, Cushman, Croker, Concord, Cave City, Zion, Woodrow, Sandtown, St. James, Prip, Pfeiffer, Parma, Marcella. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Monday evening for Arkansas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Arkansas: Cleburne, Independence, Izard, Sharp and Stone. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ55, originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in North Little Rock. The National Weather Service forecast for